Good morning. Welcome to Goodwill Commodities. In this video presentation, we are going to see how we can trade in MCX crude oil today. Before looking into that, let us see what happened yesterday and what we expected yesterday. The chart which you are seeing is the Goodwill Commodities starting tool. Whenever I place the cursor on any particular candlestick, you can see the date and time below. As we had mentioned many times, this is not a time-based candlestick in which what we are providing at Goodwill Commodities is a price volume-based candlestick. You can notice this red color candlestick that indicates yesterday's price opening, which shows that the market opened somewhere near 416. We don't consider the spike and gap as a price opening. Whatever we are seeing around 10 o'clock as the LTP, we consider as a price opening for our analysis. So what we expected yesterday was, we expected that copper has got the potential to stay in downtrend, having the major resistance zone of 422 and 426. And I had also in the yesterday's weekly analysis, I had informed that for the entire last 2-3 years, you would have noted, if you are a seasoned copper trader, the market had maintained 422 and 426 as a very important zone. So if you have histories of chart, go back and see. So many times you would have seen this 422 and 426 in the last 3 years. So it is a quite a very important long-term trend deciding zone. So that is a need where we need to point out, which is a very short-term trend deciding zone and a long-term trend deciding zone. So what we expected was, we expected copper to continue its downtrend. So after reaching 416, which is also a support, after breaking this, it was converted into resistance and it put the price straight away to test 412.6, our expected next target zone. From that, there was a pullback towards 416 and it again provided resistance to push the price down even below 412, and the price reached a low of 410.7. now we can see constantly the price was converting this support into resistance, but finally it got something to push the price about 412 and it put a straightaway test towards 416, which again acted as a resistance to push the price down to 412.6. finally the price closed around 413.95. so this was the entire price action what we witnessed in the yesterday's market. There is no need for us to go for open high low close analysis, because the entire total price action was completely below the previous day's price trading range. So the important points which we should note is that this 416 was acting as a solid resistance, and 412 yesterday, 412.6 acted as a strong support. Today the expected price opening can be somewhere near the same zone where we expected the price, where the price closed yesterday. Now let us see. Now let me add all the goodwill indicators. So now we can see I had added all the indicators. The only difference, there is no change in the candlestick, only I had added all the Goodwill Commodities indicators. Right after the price opening, it indicates that the price is likely to fall because it is trying to break a major support zone. So the indication was red, so the price came down. Here you can see that it earlier it indicated that, because as we had mentioned many times, our charting tool has got the ability to take into account the lot of support and resistance throughout the entire year. So it clearly indicates that there is something, this is quite a major zone. The possibly the market can go for buying if it is going to break 416. So that doesn't happen. So again the price came down. It indicates that now it is good for selling. So the price came down till 410.3. Then again, if the price is, when the price is moving above 412.6, it clearly indicates that it is taking some support. So you can wait, you need not go for selling, you can wait, because 412 was acting as a major support and it provides a buy signal. So that pushed the price till 416. After then it indicates that see, the price is not moving above 416, so it provides a consolidation. Today the expected price opening can be somewhere near the same zone where it closed on the previous day. Today also we are expecting copper to continue its downtrend, but we need to put a lot of focus here. You can see the moving average is also coming and converging at 416. So if we see any price action above 416 and our charting tool is giving a positive sign for buying, it can provide a temporary buying, but it is not, doesn't mean it's the trend is changed. Short term momentum buying can happen if the price is trading above 416. So this 422 and 426 will be our prime focus, the major and the most important resistance zone. So we should, if the price is moving above 416, it can push the price near 412. So book the profit immediately if you are going for buying above 416 based on our chart signal. Today, as per the trend, we are expecting copper to continue its downtrend. If it is going to break 412, the next is 407.2 is the next target zone. So let us see what's going to happen during the trading session. Thanks a lot for watching our videos. Happy trading. Take care. Bye.